Kendo sticks, garbage cans, chairs, ladders, throwing the kitchen sink. Because you get nailed with anything in an Extreme Rules match.
Now, this is the epitome of carnage and chaos where anything can turn into a lethal weapon.
Which is why it is crucial to explore the weakness as soon as it's discovered. And he barely evades. Stomping. Ouch.
Kane is really taking control here.
Kane cannot be stopped right now.
Able to elude it. And well-timed maneuver there. Hurricane looking a little less than super.
Not everyone's cut out for Extreme Rules. Maybe he wasn't ready.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring. And in a match with no rules, what good even is a strategy?
Yeah, it's good to throw strategy right out the window here. I'll never argue against the game plan, but part of the Extreme Rules environment means going with the flow and adapting. Know where you want things to go, but accept that you'll have to adjust course.
Held in a perilous position. Shoots far to the outside. And it has sky high. Through the air. And connects.
No matter who you are, when you crash on the floor, a searing pain races through your body.
And now gets tossed into the ring. And now the Hurricane is getting beaten down.
Hurricane has to trust his instincts at this point.
He wants to make a statement, and this is it. No bigger statement than sending your opponent through a table, Saxton. Here, let me show you. From the heavens. Body splash from the top. I don't know who got the worst of that, him or the table. Just brutal.
That was painful just to watch.
Getting up, but don't have a clue what's coming at him. The Devil's favorite demon with the Devil's favorite sidewalk slam. The peak of punishment there, and Kane relishing in that fact.
Utter dominance from Kane.
Everything's in Kane's favor now.
The Hurricane avoids that one.
He's running out empty right now.
Yeah, not looking good at all.
The big red monster Kane lifted him up high. Stone pile driver.
This ends now. The Hurricane has to find an opening and respond.
I don't know what his plans are with that table, but it's going to hurt.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about. If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
And he has to start protecting himself from attacks to that area. And more hits up there can leave you dazed. And he's already taken more hits up there than he should have to handle.
What a sick stop from that table.
Showing himself from the big red monster.
Brutal attacks here from Kane.
Back into the ring.
Right to the jaw. Oh, nice knee. Right to the midsection.
There's a clothesline. And it proved to be well telegraphed. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Somehow breaks the count immediately.
I was not expecting that from him at this point.
Put into the corner now.
this outside. This could be good. And it must be garbage day because out comes the Kane. He'll take things into the ring.
Nothing says, here's my vicious side, like throwing a trash can.
They're setting the table on fire. Oh, my God. Quick shoulder. Amazing. Unloads a shot to the gut. Returning to the ring. Looks like he has something planned with his table, guys.
Oh, no.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this.
He's got him here. He's got him up.
And Devil's favorite sidewalk slam.
The Hurricane keeps him away.
And the Hurricane can't stop any offense coming his way.
The Hurricane has to find an opening in this spot.
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
He's heading back to the ring.
He's taking this to the floor now.
It's like I always say, he who has the sledgehammer is for getting out of control. God, what force. But he thinks he has it.
The ref not even getting a one.
This deep into the match, and he's able to kick out the foot. It's stunning.
Continues to focus on that region of the body.
Shirley is pinpointing that spot.
Getting carried around. Bad spot to be in. Compromised position here.
Able to give him the slip.
Getting into the corner. Looking vulnerable on that top turnbuckle.
Oh, no. Gotta make reservations at the local medical facility. Destroy and incapacitate.
There's some power behind that punch.
Caught square by a haymaker. With a series of forearms.
Kane is creeping ever closer to burying the opposition.
Reversal. Can they go on the attack? And this is the visual evidence of all the destruction he's done to him.
Trying to find his breath just to tell the ref not to stop this match. Everyone watching this is on pins and needles. What? The Big Red Machine.
Choke slam. Can Hurricane come back from that?
Up high.
And now the Hurricane is getting beaten down.
Hurricane has to trust his instincts at this point.
Perched up top.
Takes another trip to the skies, and it pays off once again. Evades the attack.
He finds the abdomen. Down on the ground, getting pummeled by the hammer. And he's out of there in a nick of time.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring. He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
Bringing a steel chair into play here.
He's got the chair set up. Oh boy, this is not going to be good. Wired and destroyed. When you're in an atmosphere like this, when you can't hear yourself think because the crowd's so loud, you find a way to do superhuman things. That's what these combatants are doing here.
And Hurricane expected that.
Hurricane looks like a sitting duck right now.
All the way up and down with the choke slam.
Kane delivering his own brand of hell.
Catches the kick.
Spectacular counter into a dragon screw.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Comes back into the ring. Hurricane. Setting him up.
Will Kane get back up? That's gotta be it. How this match is still going on defies all reasoning.
Hurricane came through with all his power, but it still wasn't enough to blow the competition away.
Lift off.
Oh my, apron senton.
Short clothesline hits its mark.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
I don't care what they say. Nothing good ever comes from getting the tables.
He's doing some dangerous redecorating.
I think the table really ties it all together.
Putting his opponent in a hazardous position. A potential tide-turning moment in this matchup.
From the heavens, big time splash. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
The Devil's favorite demon with the Devil's favorite sidewalk slam. It's been a hardship for these superstars to get to this point. I think these fans are driving them to claw that extra inch.
You can sense the ride these fans have been on, and I'm right there with them. Stiff chair shot to the dome.
What offense from the Big Red Monster.
Everything's in Kane's favor now.
He's got to know he's in harm's way here.
The Big Red Monster. Kane lifts him up. Got himself for the...
Put the toe tag on him.
The cover.
Kane puts it away. Kane with a tremendous win.
Here is your winner, Kane victorious.
See? The superhero doesn't always win.
That's true, Corey, but this loss won't stop the Hurricanes' one-man crusade for justice.